Where you were purpose?
They were for running coming.
Everything that we teach on go high school. So she come a people place, and I think this she can do. I said, me never come and no fire won't catch.
Lunch and dinner, supper.
Then we can provide 2 less, but 4. I'm the wrong bike, huh?
Johnny 4, 9 years, 8.
What are 9 years, she not eat tin mackerel.
Now we're upon Johnny for come down by the river with this something so we can cook. So we're going to chill out and I think look a bit. The air cool and quiet, but be a mosquito there. We don't have no fancy camping today. We don't on the cold hard ground. Well, it's not cold, but yeah, because I could have traveled something because far from me and me. So I could have bring the cushion and nothing. I just bring one soft blanket and my stuff there. Even though I can't hear that my voice, so I'm still sick. But even it get worse, but you know what I probably say? I go outside, so I'm outside. Flu did kill me, like on top of everything. The first thing I sit there, never flu. And then on top of all of the problem, flu could catch me. But I don't know where we got to catch flu. On top of everything. So it was just not even a whole bunch of things. But even my ID swelled up. If you didn't ever see me, the eye swell big. And they say, the doctor said, my allergies cause it. But I have fever already this week. But thank God, I'm feeling much better. But 100%, but I'm way better. I'm there outside. Guys, one pig over there, so watch it. I don't grow up in Thai, cause you know when Thai pig are up and they put them in a rain in a nothing. Why that pig they sound like he might get closer? You can hear him? pick this sound like him I get closer, you know, guys. I say, guys, Johnny have me down a river from after 3, and now look, almost 5:30. Johnny, go up, go TTV up and put our makeup.
Ready, we're ready. Ready, we're ready. Big river. She said she had a camping in my zone. So stay tuned.
You just fire. For fry some fish. Guys, Johnny give me East Indian mango. I'm gonna mash up this later. Yeah, so my back coats go work. Coats now on my back. Alright guys, so we go wash the fishes in the water. Johnny pour some vinegar upon him already. So now I just get some water and wash them off. And we frying them today.
Remember people, she said she had a big river, my river down my backyard. Left all the way from Oye will come on my place and say she had do what she had do there stuff. I mean no water in the pot, you know. If I mullet, shrimps or janga. But she said she had do that and do a one night camp out on the big river. And a long time she said she want to do it, you know. But she said she's afraid. So tonight I shall alone.
Yeah, sleep with me though, guys, tonight.
Not me and you. You don't
What
talk.
you mean,
Me,
not me and you?
so make me talk now. So make me talk now. Me can't talk.
Talk, yeah.
So anyway, people, she said she gonna do some fish and some carrot and some onion and jugo and fry two seed of plantain and gravy. She said she don't like coffee no more, so and I really bring no coffee on the river settings. So people, stay tuned, pay attention to her. Put the video up on her. Because the people don't want to see us with them comments. Me can answer and both the answer say. You know, me not sit down far, but when them are sleeping, you know, at thunder, sometimes when thunder roll, they know
when you was sleep,
they can't wake up, you know.
can't wake up.
Show up the eye, man, it's really far. Show up the eye. Let me this. Because I really do for you, you know.
So what do you do that for now, Johnny?
No, that's not good enough. That's not good enough. People, look at people. No, drop it in the comment section and make everybody see it. You know what I'm saying? No, she claimed she'll come do outdoor camping. And now she have guests. And you're going to tell me, say, she go to the hardware and pick up only one seed of rye planting.
Because plant bigger than it.
Anyway, don't worry about it, because the people not going to buy your argument. And my argument, they won't buy that. My argument, they won't go buy it.
How will I guess?
What, the guess?
Yeah.
I don't know who's the guess.
I ask me have guess. I think I'm here the guess. But they have fear place. So I'm here the guess. And you shouldn't treat me. No guys, I come to Johnny place and Johnny expect me to bring everything. Johnny have big farm and sitting an animal. Johnny don't say, Sham, when I kill 2 fowl them for you. I'm going to dig 2 yam crackling gear. You tell me to buy yam a road. Nothing can go so.
People, me never organize. As she organized this setup. And then I'll come to my place once in the right planting as I said before. Then come expect say she alone to eat this. And it's okay. She claims say I come tell me that I look excuse but she not eat enough. Bullshit. Lie she tell. We used to dip on the river and 3 dumpling and 2
What's
big
that wicked man?
She eat.
They know some night dumpling.
No.
Still.
Who know that?
They know some night dumpling. They don't put dumpling on the channel.
Anyway, people, you tell me if this is reasonable enough for she do something like they left all the way from her port and come on my port, so she not expect me to eat.
I should have come with me 2 empty
She
and everything should have there for me.
No, when me plan the trip, that's a different thing.
So what's up your from planning?
What's that me?
Look for when me I start.
No, you are talk about it. That I your something that is my something. Because when my something I go do, me I make sure me organize myself and situate myself and deal with that. Me not go wait till you come and you go ask me say, then what when me have when me come, you go see all of me present to do what me I do. And it's very simple. So only hope from today you learn a lesson. You learn a lesson because the people don't get at you, know. They must get at you when they watch this one thing arrive to see the plant, you know. We care for 4 people, you know. No worry about it. The visitors are people. They're in the circle. No people. And me, you know, me have to do back up. See what me do, yeah? Go back up there. Me did have 2 extra green seed up. That's good things. So somebody give me them this morning and me throw them down outside. And then me have to run back to go pick up the stretch where she can come. People tell her, drop it in the comment down this up and make sure know say this is not good enough. So the next time she plan her stuff, she make sure she plan her stuff and organize it and make sure it situate good. See your people right now. Look now, done with this. She have pot on fire. Say she go fry though. What you say? Scooby fish? And Scooby fish you say I got?
Yes. Yes.
You certain that Scooby fish?
Yes.
So how you think it's a fry fish?
Well, same thing.
No, I don't think it's the same thing. Because you have to do different things addition, yeah. How then what is up?
We have to cut up the carrot and
She have carrot and onion and tomato, what is up? She said she not really ketchup because she have maroon. That's what she said.
People
So,
eat ketchup and fish. Only eat ketchup and extra fish.
you can't do that because remember when the Almighty, the Creator that create the universe, Him create the universe, everybody. To every individual what is here now and what was in the past and who to come. So you have to be careful when you do your maths. You do your maths. You make sure when you do your maths and you go up and you give hand teacher your book. And teacher look in your book. Teacher say, very brilliant. And stick it all the way down. Now say it go when you go to school. Okay. So anyway people, pay attention. She says she waited the oil well hot. So she drop in the fish them. And flip them over.
I cook fish them, I fry them.
I put on broccoli or something because me and fry them. Me come for light for me make sure get the fire ready for you. Fish fire. Well, she said that smoke fire to get to the plague them. The mosquito, the batlers and the rest of plague them all fly around. So I make sure I come and do so she can't say, I don't come here, they come and stand up and watch her and I not do nothing. I make sure I come and make that, put that in place so people don't pay attention and look every second, every minute as she do what she do, you know. So no pay attention. Any way, you know, say she go wrong, you know, drop it in the comment section. May I listen to that, you know. May I listen to that. So anyway, people, pay attention and stay tuned. She claims that she'll come in a place. I don't know what place, not about one of them, but that's it.
After you, Johnny, up there so. TTV up and do makeup for 2 hours. You come across me and say, Patch, that put on. Guys, me don't wait for Johnny from after 3.
I know you don't wait for me.
And I contact. Then, and you even come with the pot. Me could have cooked without pot?
You could have carried the pot too.
Then do you want me to bring everything?
You could have left the tent and carry the pot.
So me could left my shelter and bring the pot.
The tent not take no long time to cover up. And if you don't have rain come down, you run with the sun gone at the color butt.
You take 2.5 hours for TTV up and left with down here suffer.
Yeah, man.
And then now you go come cuss me and say, if food should have cooked already.
You hear the song, one of them long time guys sing the song, say woman was made to feed the pain and man was made to suffer. You ever heard that song?
Yeah, but
you heard that song, right?
Yeah, me know.
Seriously? No, you heard that song, right? Okay, so you know what that means?
What that means?
Well, you say you don't know no more that, right? Mom, look here. Let me show you something. Let me just a second and pay attention. Just look at me and show you something. When you do this, you hold the knife. You don't hold the knife, you hold the knife like this. You get a better grip on it and do it like this, please. Cause everything me teach on go high school. Me know how to front
So me know what me I do. Me do what me I do. Cause me don't know you can go like say. Me don't know for peel and lily great planting.
You don't need a knife to do it again. You take a finger out of that. Your finger didn't too long.
You know, a different place me lift up. I know where you lift up, me lift up. I don't know.
Everything, when I big people and everything people don't show no what to do. On the walk, on a push up on the stomach or roadside like you know well be known and well taught and well grown and well grown. Not no guts up.
Me well grown and well taught. And everybody do things the same way. But as long as you do properly.
One see the right planting, not people, before people. But anyway, no pay that no mind. And remember to like, share and sub, subscribe, and that's whenever time him drop ship, send out our thing, automatically it come in or no whatever. Fair bonfire, please man. A fair bonfire that you know. She said that a fair bonfire she can't no more catch the fire. Because if me never come and no fire won't catch. All you small boy, where you were purpose? You can't catch fire, you're a big boy now. You're 19, you know.
You salt them before you fry it or after you fry it. That's something.
Now when I ride with that's what I cut them up and then I start.
Yeah, man. Some people salt it after they fry it. Okay. Done it really nice. I shall do something next to this guy. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Mother burn up your hand, you know.
One do it then, no?
Shoot the whole eye. People know, she claims that she finished her night something, I don't know what. This is on something a plate. This is the roast rice plantain, fry and fresh green plantain, and the bungalow fish and carrot and onion and the rest of something. Well, you don't go on up, you tell you what that about.
Yeah, moi?
Oh. So they ask her who?
You get fear first.
They ask her who?
You eat them, eh? Yeah, I'm God. Go for Johnny, I follow Johnny, go for yard. So I'm far walk. I'm tired. I reach up the place. Far come here, so I go. bed. Drop, guys, today. I left from up in the yard. I slide from one mango and drop. It's pretty. See things that I got to. I have to look in the car. To look if missing a frog. Guys, they were around coming. I really know what they. Morning, guys. So Johnny they finally wake up because the most beauty rest him and take me can sleep so long I'll make me wake up before it. Hey, you know say you're talking to your sleep because why?
Yes, there's something wrong with him. Wake up and ask the Darius Hall and something there.
Yeah, we say you get up and sit down up to you know. You sit down up and say it, yeah Johnny no. Yeah Johnny no. Lay down my cash in your mouth. I say, the first time jump up and I look at me and say, oh, Johnny, I'm washing up my tent for you guys. It's time, now that I'm fresh, it's time to go in the water. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in the water. Here Johnny gone up and I got about breakfast. So I'm gonna look about mackerel and dumpling. So we get a little swim because I never swim around that area yet before. So get a little swim, a little dip in the area and then hurry up and go up Johnny. So to make sure I'm gonna take longer in here, but so far the only issue I had around here is the mosquitoes. But other than that, it's so beautiful, serene, quiet, and you can hear the birds. My favorite part, and it's just cool and nice. So yeah, it's my little swing. Oh, the sun is hitting. I go back up for Johnny now. I have one little walking to do. But I just take my little time. Johnny found my egg. Same I go make some coffee. Make some wait I make one frappuccino.
Frappuccino, that's the engine free. That's a coffee. Boy, coffee and junk, yo.
Yeah, please.
I never drunk it. Alright, bicycle. Same, alright.
And it's flour with spoon like just touch the.
It's not a fork, me that use. I use to do this, you know.
I can't eat flour with spoon.
Oh, you come here with an X but you have cut for your finger then. Oh, so you come by cut, you can't explain that. You can't explain you come by cut, but you come control your finger then have cut.
We get cut from a blender.
You have blender?
I mean if me have blender, but...
Me not have any, so me and everybody can have blender. Don't.
Okay, you have a blender.
But act like you have blender, me or other people have toilet too.
And Johnny take them. Cool. I change look, you see? I say you talk to them now.
I'm ready to take on the world. You can't take on it yourself, but you know what, I tell people you're ready to take on the world. If you don't pay attention enough for who you say try to take on the world, and so what happened to them? You just see them outcome. Just somebody you not take up this answer. So I just say to drink.
It's a cool.
Yes, man, like a cool man. All of a sudden, no love cool things now. We don't love hot things anymore. All of a sudden, no.
So yeah, when me ever tell you something love hot
no,
things?
all of a sudden, no. You have to put down things to cool before you can absorb it. Yeah, good boy, second I use them. You know what do I do with them? Good, come the one and put them for the camera. People, check out my people place. And that even this you can do. That even this you can do. Left all the way from Huiwo. Come to my place and I tell her fry two dumpling. For the benefit, she must think of me to benefit. And they come tell me about she have cut on her finger them. But that's right. And so them enough with enough self.
Man.
And when people
Shame like that.
They can't that them a grumble and mumble. But I want to make glad, I tell them all the while, to make glad that somebody they taught me growing up learn to boil and roast and scrape and know to eat.
I like how you're angry. You know, so if you come at my yard, I'm going to invite you to come here, Johnny, and show you. So I'm not ask you if you do nothing because you're a guest. So I'm there here, yard, so I'm a guest.
No, you can't say that now. So you're going to invite me down here when I come down here. You're going to cock up on bed, on TV, and on phone. I'm not going to tolerate them to something. I'm not going to do that. You can talk what you want to talk on camera now. You're pretty up here.
Guys, I'm going to invite Johnny to come here and I couldn't see. So I'm going to give Johnny good treatment. I get breakfast, lunch and dinner, supper.
You know what's one of them good enough, you know? Just the breakfast probably good enough for the lunch. Because we not a breakfast person like that. So probably a lunch is good enough. So you know, if you go to the extreme, to the real extreme like that. Because maybe if you can provide 4. Then if you can provide 2, let's watch 4. So I don't know that. Me say I don't know. That's what me said. Me wrong by saying that? No, I'm wrong by saying that? No, seriously. I don't know.
Enough, man. Golden brown. This is why Johnny love me. I show off him my take, you know. I show off him my take.
Show off, we have to do.
Me and the people in my talk.
Oh, so you're not talking and looking at laugh like I'm here laughing.
Me and the people in my talk.
Talk to them and not put me in something.
Johnny love me. I just show off him. I show off, guys. Guys, see Johnny wash up my tent for me there. I spread the old fire.
She said she want tin mackerel. So she'll get tin mackerel. So she'll get tin mackerel. That she said she want.
Hot people eat tin mackerel.
About 9 years she not eat tin mackerel. Because she took another 9 years she not eat tin mackerel. And the people living at the upscale up at St. Andrew and them place there. Then they say tin mackerel and them favorite with white rice. And she come talk about 9 years she not eat tin mackerel.
Manga worm, Johnny.
Where?
Mm-mm.
I cut out that one, see nice, eh?
Breakfast is
I'll
served.
take you to that.
Hot. Alright guys, so you come to the end of the video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, share, like the video, and leave a comment.
Remember King Johnny said, Sham, something, remember to tap, like, share and subscribe. And remember, she come peep on the place, so I'm getting a thing together. See you guys later.
Right?